Hello my friends, Stephanie Bernard at the Stamps of Life, and chances are you just saw my previous video on the awesome Typewriter stamp and the dies that match, and dun 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 dun, the awesome alphabet die set at the bottom. What? I know, right? Well, I had mentioned in that video that there is a collection to all of these items because you know I couldn't stop with just a typewriter, and there were so many ideas I had. So let me explain those ideas to you. Number one is called Alphabets for Typewriter because, hello, yes, you need some alphabets, right? So we have uppercase and lowercase, and the size is equivalent to what's in the stamp set from your club set if you've already gotten that. So that's going to match that. So now you can have it say anything you want. You can say any word you want, even bad words, because no one's going to know, right? I won't know. Okay, then I did another one because I wanted to do more calendar stuff, more like save the date type stuff. So the best day ever, you have all of the months in here. You have the first, the second, the third, save the date, numbers, and sign, just extra stuff to make it a lot faster instead of having to use just the alphabet for, you know, basic things, right? Now, when I show you the samples I have, you're going to say, yes, I have to have that, just saying. Now, a lot of you, some of you, I don't know how many of you, don't like to color, and I understand. I get that. So we also are offering the solids for typewriter. So now you can just stamp and go. You don't have to worry about coloring that typewriter. You can literally just stamp it in solid colors and then you can go. And I'll show you some samples of that. Lastly, we have this die set. Now this die set I realize does not look like much here, but this is going to cut out 2 sizes of paper clips. Fun. This is right here. This one is going to add flowers to your typewriter. The flowers up here are going to go on top of those flowers, so you don't have to paper piece them. You don't have to cut them and do that. You're just going to die cut this and then die cut this to go on top. Then these circles are perfect for, get ready, doing typewriter keys. Aren't those absolutely positively adorable? Look at how cute those little typewriter keys are. So now you're going to have dies that does the background and the ring around those typewriter keys. Now, look at how cute this is. This says monthly inspiration. Who made this? Yvette made this. Okay, you're my type of friend. This is something that's going to sit on your friend's desk. Look at this. You shine with kindness, but I want you to see she has cute little rings up here. I want you to see how cute this is. Your friend is going to put this on her desk and keep it forever, right? Watch this. You're my type of friend, and it has pages. January, you are, these are inspiration quotes, right? You are enough. You are fierce. February, see it says February up at the top. You are beautiful. You are a rock star. So every month there's a new inspiration. Isn't that awesome? I absolutely love that. Now, of course, all of these products are available on our website, but you definitely need to get those typewriter keys. And look how cute that is. Isn't that adorable? Now, let's continue. Here's an example of that cute paper clip die. Look how cute that is. The best day ever. Now, this is just an everyday card. Look how cute that is. But with our cute little giraffe, little Pete. But look at how fun it is to have that cute little paper clip on there with the best day ever. Love it. Here's a cute one, just a note to say, love that paper clip. And there's a doily. I always like to point out the doilies. Sending hugs across the miles. Now here's one I did show in the last video, but now I really want to point out, look at how gorgeous that coloring is on that typewriter. It's not really coloring. It's those solid stamps. Now you're going to ink those stamps and stamp it right on top after you do the black outline. Boom, colored, done. Isn't that awesome? Here's a cute one using the die letters on top of those circles. Forever yours. Isn't that gorgeous? Cute little flowers at the bottom. I love you. Just a note to say, here's that paper clip again. Just a note to say, I love you. You're my type. Here's a cute one. Save the date again, colored by our stamps. Here's another one. This one was colored by our stamps. Oh, this one. Oh, that one is actually dies. Okay, but this one's colored by the stamps. Here's those cute little flowers. Those cute little flowers you're going to drop into the typewriter and you can die cut at the same time and they stay in there. Isn't that cute? Here we have the cute little typewriter with the solids in there. So easy peasy. There's a doily alert. Look, again, easy peasy to color that typewriter with those solid stamps. Now, here's a fun one. Oh, and stay tuned. I have something else to share with you that has nothing to do with typewriters. Ooh, hang on, hang on. Here's that cute one, Save the Date. You can make the paper longer if you want to. Here's a cute one, Sweet Love. Isn't that cute? Open it up. May my heart, well, I can't read it. My heart soars when I'm with you. Isn't that gorgeous? Now, here's a cute one. Check this one out. And I don't have a name on this one. Ready or Not, 2022. Open it up. January, a little tab using our tab dies. Friday the 31st, Saturday the 1st, and then we go Sunday. Look at this, every day. January, Monday the 5th. Look at how fun this is. Monday, you could literally make your own planner. Every month is on here. Isn't that adorable? I absolutely love this. This is so fun. So every month can be on here. So fun. Now, I did promise you something else besides the typewriter collection. We now have, and I have all mine out here, exclusive washi tape. Now, this washi tape is not only the everyday washi tape, but this washi tape literally has our people on it, our stuff on it, our designs. This one has the Pudgie kitties, and we'll do an up-close picture of this one. This one has the Pudgie kitties. Then we have our fun little butterflies. Then we have our cute tortoises. So cute. Look how cute these are. So cute, so adorable. Then we have our Pudgie doggy. And now these are all exclusive. You can only get them from us. Then we have our gnomes. Yes, we did the gnomes. And then we have our fun daisy flower. Now, these are limited. They're in a pack of 6. They're sold just like this. Once they're gone forever. And then we'll do a new set. So get them quick. Now, as you know, washi tape is not going to be permanent tape. It's a nice, soft, temporary tape. Perfect for decorating. Totally fine for decorating your projects. And also for using it in the die cut machine to hold down dies, but definitely for decorating, especially how cute these washi tapes are. Now, club members, of course you're getting the club discount on all of these products. If you're not in the club, you are really, really, really missing out. Because every time a club member goes to my website, they get a 15 to 20% discount off of the entire website. It's like a sale every single day. Go to our website, stampsoflife.com, click join the club, and just watch the video. I'm telling you, it'll change your mind. Go check it out. Thanks so much. I'll see you again soon. Bye-bye.